You're not stuck because of something that is wrong with you. You're stuck because you're still living from an old version of yourself. You know, the one you had to become when life got so damn hard. Let's be honest about something. You've done the work. You've read all the books. Your bookshelves are full of self-help books, healing books, growing books. Maybe you've even seen a therapist. You've really tried to move forward, but you're still waking up every morning feeling like you're going round in circles. You're on a hamster wheel and you're just moving and moving and moving, but nothing changes. Absolutely nothing changes. And quietly, very quietly, maybe you've even started to wonder, hey, is this just who I am now? I want to tell you something very clearly, very clearly. No, this is not who you are. This is where you are. And that's the difference. And I'll say that again. This is not who you are. This is where you are. Do you see the difference? So here's what's actually happening. When life changes, and I mean really changes, you know, the kind of shifts the ground beneath you, the earth cracks, and you're thinking, oh my goodness, where am I? Who am I? Your brain doesn't automatically update like a computer. Okay, well, we've just got new stuff here, we've just got to update. The identity you've been living from, the patterns that you built to survive, you know, those survival patterns, I'll be okay, I've just got to keep going. The way you see yourself and what's possible for you, that doesn't just update because time has passed. Here's the thing, we can all wait for time. And how many people have said to you, you know, just give it time, you'll be okay. You've just got to process this. How many people have said that to you? I know when my husband passed away, I had it said all the time. You can have a completely different life on the outside. So on the outside, you are just coping. Everybody says, wow, you're so strong. But you can still be living from the same old story on the inside. Now, that's not weakness and that's not failure. That's just simply how identity works. I see this all the time with my clients. Women who have been through loss or divorce, or their kids have left home, or something they built has fallen apart, something like a business, maybe a home. And they look at themselves and think, why am I still here? Why do I still feel so heavy? And here's why. It's because that old version of you is still running the show. Does that make sense? Not because she's bad, not because she's broken, not because she was built for a different season. And no one told her she could put that weight down. You were built for a different season now. You're in a different season in your life. Let that weight go down. Drop that heaviness. There's a version of you that has learned to be the strong one, the one who holds it all together, that soldiers on. You know, the one who doesn't ask for too much, the one who keeps going no matter what happens. I just keep going. You just keep going. Yes, she is capable. She is resilient. She is tough. And she has served you so well in your past. But she is not who you are here to become now in your present and your future. That adapted conditioned survival version of you was created for a reason. And that reason was she got you through your toughest part in your life. But she was never, ever meant to be your whole story. The end. That's it. And here's what I want you to sit with today. Really sit with. The reason you feel stuck isn't because you're trying so hard or you haven't tried hard enough. The reason is because part of you is still waiting for life to go back to the way it was. You know, you're still hoping that if you just hold it together for a little longer, if you just soldier on more, something will suddenly click into place and you'll be back in your old life. But here's the thing. Life doesn't go back. And let's be honest, it is not supposed to. We are supposed to be always moving forward with our life. So today, I want to offer you a massive shift. And here it is. Stop asking what's wrong with me. That's the first thing, is stop saying, hey, what's wrong with me? And instead, ask, what old story am I living from right now? What am I telling myself? Where am I living from? Because here's the good news. The moment you see that pattern, the moment you can say, oh, this is what I've been doing, everything, and I mean everything, changes for you. Not because the pain disappears, but because now you have a choice. And everything in life is a choice. When I say this to my clients, they look at me. Because even to do nothing is a choice. We all have a choice, and we make millions of choices every day. When you see that choice, you can see the old behavior for what it is. It is learned, conditioned, protective, and no longer yours to keep carrying. That's the heaviness that you're carrying. That's the bag you need to put down, the brick you've been carrying. You see, this is not about becoming somebody completely new. It's about releasing and letting go what you were never supposed to hold on to for this long. And when you let it go, everything shifts. So, here's what I want you to do today. Today, not tomorrow, not after you've thought about it for 2 months or 2 weeks or a couple of days. I want you to do this today. Ask yourself this one question, just one question. What version of myself am I leading my life from right now? In other words, where am I living right now? What version of myself? Not the version you want to be. Who you're currently living as. And I want you to be 110% honest with yourself. It's that version of you, the one running on old patterns, old beliefs, old survived strategies. That version of you is not your future. She is your past. She is where you've been, not where you get to choose differently from now. Does that make sense? And that's it. That's the whole thing. If this resonated and is landing for you, I want you to tell me in the comments. Tell me what one old pattern you can see yourself still living from. You don't have to have the answer. Just naming it is the beginning. And if you want to go deeper, there's a link below to take my Becoming Whole quiz. It'll help you figure out exactly where you are in this process and what your next step actually is. So take the quiz, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye for now.